everyone, welcome back to Simply Learn's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an incredible new feature launched by OpenAI for ChatGPT, and trust me, this one is a game changer. It's called ChatGPT Search. So what's ChatGPT Search? Let me break down it for you. Until now, ChatGPT was limited to knowledge it was trained on, and anything after its knowledge, cut-off date. Well, it couldn't help you there. But not anymore. With ChatGPT Search, the model can now browse the web in real time. This means it can find the latest news, up to date search, and even the most detailed or uncommon information directly from the internet. This upgrade is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about supercharging ChatGPT to make it more relevant and practical for all kinds of users. Whether you are a student needing the latest research for your assignments, a professional looking for industry insights, or just someone curious about trending topics, this feature is designed for you. But here's the most important part. This feature is currently only available to the pro users, those with a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you are someone who uses ChatGPT regularly or relies on it for its real-time insights, upgrading to Plus might be just worth it. So stick around. Today we will be exploring how to actually use it and what all the results we can look up to.
Now, as I'm a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, as you can see, I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, and when I zoom it over here, you can see a small globe-like feature, and when you hover on it, you see Search the Web. And to enable ChatGPT search, you must click on this globe. So as you can see now, if you click on this globe, you will see a list of the trending topics. It's showing Who Wants Dancing with the Stars 2024, Taylor Swift, the greatest of the singers, Earl Holliman, Hulu Black Friday 2024. Another best part is my search trends may look not like yours and it will definitely vary. So, this globe icon actually means now when you chat with ChatGPT, it will pull data from the web in real time. So now, let's ask about the latest launch in the Gen AI field. To enable this, you need to click on this and then ask the latest launch in Gen AI field and see it has started making it. OpenAI's Sora video generation tool leaked. OpenAI's video generation AI tool Sora was leaked by artists protesting its rollout and minimal compensation. Apple's challenges in AI rollout in China. So these are great news, advancements in AI and CRISPR integration. AI's role in research and development. In 2022, the UK invested $71 billion in R&D. Wow, emerging AI hardware developments. And with this, you will find a clickable link over here. And if you click on this, you will begin going to combining AI and CRISPR will be transformational. It will be providing you with a supporting document. Like if you have any of the doubts that it is not true or anything, you will be getting this. And with each paragraph, it is given some of the documents that supports what it is saying. And after this, you can see it is sources. The sources, it will be appearing over here and it will be giving you all the documents that supports each of these paragraphs it has searched. Before we commence, learn generative AI and machine learning with the professional certificate program from IIT Guwahati's E and ICT Academy in collaboration with Simply Learn. This 11-month live online program led by IIT faculty and industry experts provides hands-on experience with 25 plus projects and 15 plus AI tools including ChatGPT, DALL-E 2 and TensorFlow. Gain skills in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, reinforcement learning and computer vision and earn a prestigious certificate along with executive alumni status from IIT Guwahati. Enjoy the interactive master classes, hackathons by IBM, and a chance to join a campus immersion at IITG. Join now to accelerate your career with this cutting edge AI program. Do check out the link in the description box below and the pinned comments. Now, let's add something interesting. Apart from all these technologies, something very personal. I want to plan an outing with my family in Kerala. It will be a 4 day trip suggest how we can plan our trip and make it fun. This much prompt is fine, I guess. Let's see what it answers. So, it has basically divided each day into morning, afternoon, and evening. Wow, it's nice. And let's see. Planning a 4-day family trip to Kerala offers a delightful mix of natural beauty, cultural experience, and relaxation. So, arrival in Kochi, it is suggesting to arrive in Kochi morning. You check into your hotel. Afternoon, the Fort Kochi, known for its colonial architecture. Wow, street art, St. Francis Church. This is nice. This is very famous, I guess. Kochi to Munnar, then Munnar to Thekadi, Alipi, and departure. Some additional trips, the accommodations, transportation. So it has even suggested that hire a private car for flexibility and comfort. Obviously, like you will be doing everything in time on your particular choice, and local cuisine, cultural etiquette. So it has even give the sources. So these are basically travel planners. If you click on it, you will be getting the best place. So this is task travel. This is a basically a planner where you can plan your trip. You have to give your date of arrival, number of days, hotel category. Okay, these are also having options. Basically, it's nice. It's even you don't even have to do the hard work of finding all these things. You will be getting directly from ChatGPT. Let's go back. Now let's ask something very important. Is there any deal on flights from Bangalore to Delhi? As the flight tickets prices are going so high, so let's see if they have any of the things over here. As of now, several airlines and travel platforms are offering deals on flights. So they are giving Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, Air India, Skyscanner, and some additional tips. So let's see. Okay, it has giving direct access to the particular website, and it's nice. And even it is giving uh, to write this code, and you will getting flat 10% discount. So basically, it's nice. You can even go and have a research on this, and then book your flights and get a discount in your next flight ticket, maybe. Now, let's ask locate some good coffee shops near me in maps. I want the exact location. So, see, it's just a competition to the Google search, honestly. Getting a map to locate where the place actually is. So, basically, here are some options. You can even map, you can list, you will get a list of this. Third wave coffee, this is very popular, I guess. Blue Tokai coffee roasters and everything. And even it has directions, website, and even the call number over here, just like you get in this Google search. It's basically a competition, a tough competition, honestly. Now, making it a bit interesting, I want to ask, what is Nvidia price? Now let's see. Hey, wow, it has even given a chart that we can even point out ups and the downs, the highs and the lows. I can even view it on various days, one day, fifth day, 1 month, 6 months, yesterday, 1 year, or 5 years, anything. And even you will getting here the dollar 0.83 plus 0.61% November 26. This is actually nice. Even if you're getting a summary of this, this is truly nice. You can even find out at particular date and time, 6 months, 1 month, and everything in just your fingertips. And that's ChatGPT search. So, guys, that's a wrap. Do comment what interests you the most about this new launch in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video for sure. Till then, keep learning and growing with Simply Learn. Thank you for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.